In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize bullet points in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to turn plain lists into polished, on-brand elements that match the look and feel of your presentation. Start by opening your slide and selecting the text you want to change. Click inside the text box, then drag to highlight the specific lines, or press Ctrl+A while your cursor is in that box to select everything. Making a clear selection ensures any changes apply exactly where you want them and not to other parts of the slide. Next, head to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Most of the tools you need for text formatting live here, so it's the best place to begin any quick list styling. In the paragraph group on the ribbon, look for the bullets button. Don't just click the main icon, click the small arrow next to it. That opens the full drop-down, which is where you'll find both quick choices and deeper customization options. If you want something clean and fast, choose one of the built-in styles you see right away, like a filled circle, a square, or an arrow. You'll get an immediate update on your slide, and this is often all you need for a professional look. Keep in mind that simple shapes tend to be the most readable, especially for longer lists. For more control, go to the bottom of that dropdown and select Bullets and Numbering. This opens a dialog box with powerful customization. If you want a distinctive look, choose symbol and browse options from fonts like Wingdings or Webdings. Pick a symbol that's clear at small sizes and matches your presentation's tone. If you prefer a branded or more visual marker, choose Picture to use a custom image as a bullet. Small, high contrast images work best here so your audience can recognize them quickly. You can also fine-tune size to scale the bullet relative to your text and adjust color to align with your theme or brand palette. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply your changes. If you have other slides or text boxes that should match, repeat the same customization so your entire deck stays consistent. A consistent bullet style helps your content feel cohesive from start to finish. For a quick shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+L to instantly apply the default bullet style to selected text. It's a great time saver when you're building lists on the fly. And that's it. Your bullet points are now fully customized to match your presentation style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.